Hello, young scientists. Today, we are diving into the world of motion and velocity time graphs. We'll be using trolleys on a runway to create graphs that help us understand the behavior of objects in motion. Get ready to explore the science behind velocity and acceleration. To conduct this fascinating experiment, you'll need the following materials. A runway with means to produce a uniform slope. Dynamics trolleys. Ticker timer with a power supply unit. Ticker tape. Sellotape. Safety precautions. Remember to follow standard safety guidelines while conducting experiments. Ensure the apparatus is set up securely and safely. Accelerating down a slope. Let's start with the first scenario, where we'll observe a trolley accelerating down a slope. Set up the runway with a significant slope and a buffer at the bottom to catch the trolley. Place a trolley on the slope and observe its acceleration as it moves downhill. Thread a length of ticker tape through the ticker timer and attach it to the trolley. Turn on the ticker timer and let the trolley accelerate down the slope. Cut the tape through the dot produced just before the trolley was released. Count 10 dot-to-dot spaces and cut the tape again. Repeat this process until you have a collection of tapes of different lengths. Create a velocity time graph by sticking the tapes vertically side by side. Mark the horizontal and vertical axes accordingly. Constant velocity on a slope. Now, let's explore the scenario where the trolley maintains a constant velocity on a slope. Adjust the slope so that the trolley, after a gentle push, maintains a steady velocity for a large part of the runway. Produce a set of 10 tick tapes for this steady velocity journey. Create a velocity time chart, focusing on the section of the journey where velocity is constant. Motion up a slope. Finally, we'll examine the motion of a trolley moving up a slope. Position the trolley at the lower end of the runway and give it a short push to move it up the slope. Predict what the velocity time graph for this motion will look like. Test your prediction by creating a velocity time graph using the ticker tapes. Teaching notes. The tapes you create represent different aspects of motion. By analyzing these tapes, you can draw important conclusions about velocity, acceleration, and the nature of the trolley's movement. A steeper gradient on the graph indicates a larger acceleration. If the graph is curved, it signifies that acceleration is not constant and the trolley's speed is changing over time. Remember that you can use the tapes to construct distance time or displacement time graphs. The cumulative lengths of the tapes show the total distance traveled. Conclusion. In this experiment, we've explored velocity time graphs and their significance. These graphs are a powerful tool for understanding how objects move and the forces that influence their motion. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating experiment. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of velocity time graphs and the physics behind motion. Keep exploring the wonders of science and never stop questioning the world around you.